Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing and it is the Glossybox MAY beauty subscription box. This is Glossybox UK. There are other Glossyboxes out there, but what you're seeing is just for the UK only. It costs £13.50 a month for a rolling subscription, and they do offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. I have a refer a friend code which will entitle you to receive £5 off your first box. I'll pop it up on the screen, plus I'll pop it down in my description, as well as a link to the subscription and any other limited editions or any offers on the Glossybox website. You'll see down there, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So inside you find 5 beauty items ranging from anything beauty related: skincare, hair care, makeup, and sometimes we get the odd freebie, which I don't think we have had for a while, so hopefully we'll get one soon. I love it when we get a freebie, especially if it's a chocolate. I'm just a chocoholic. But anyway, it's a mystery box. Some months are better than others, but they say each box has a minimum value of £50. So I think that's it. So yeah, let's get on to showing you then what's inside. I did see some spoilers today online. Not a full spoiler, but I do know of some products in the box. We've got a QR code to scan. This is Spring Awakening. This is really exciting. I love these. Coming soon. The June beauty box. We've got a really cool bag. Look. Look, look, look. Oh, that is brilliant. These sell out super fast. Other subscription boxes do it as well. Coming into summer. We'll all get this limited edition next month if you subscribe. And then we've got a summer bag coming as well. What does it say about it? Brace yourselves because our summer bag is back and better than ever with a full-size beach bag included. Stay tuned for more exciting details to come. Yeah, really, really excited about that. I'm glad I'm a subscriber. Now and again, Glossybox do actually send me out a PR box. If they do, I'll do the same as what I did last month. I'll put the box up for a giveaway on my Instagram. If you're not already following me on there, it's the same name, Diaryofabeautygeek. Right, just getting rid of some worms. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, we got 5 and a little sample sachet. So we have got a freebie, but it's not a big chocolate bar. Doesn't matter. I've got even more information about next month's beauty box. Well, it's a beauty bag, isn't it? You can choose your own fragrance. We want to give you the choice to select a fragrance you want inside your extra special June edit. Simply click here in the QR code thing, a little box there, to select your favourite fragrance. Form closes Monday the 27th of May. So if you want to be in for a chance of getting this special edition next month and choosing your own fragrance, then you need to subscribe this month. You need to pay for this box first, and then you're guaranteed, and obviously pay for the June box then. So this is what it looks like. Sorry about the flashes, it's just the lighting. So am I right in thinking then, if the form closes on the 27th, any new subscribers or anyone that subscribes in June, you'll just get a random fragrance? I think that's what it is. I think that's right. It doesn't say, but that's, I'm assuming anyway. Anyway, enough of that then. Let's move on to this box. Starting off with a micellar water. This is by Eclat Skin. This is a limited edition micellar water with rosemary extracts. It's a makeup remover and cleansing water for all skin types. There's 100 mils there. This is a deluxe size and it is worth £29.90. Gone. It is worth £29.90, a gentle yet effective cleansing water to remove makeup, infused with rosemary extract to help soothe and prep the skin for the next step. Rosemary extract is known for its anti-inflammatory properties which could help reduce redness. Apply a few drops on a cotton pad and gently tap all over your face and let it absorb into the skin. So you've got a micellar water. Next we've got something for your hair. This is a maximizer. This is a root lift spray from Philip Kingsley. It's 60 mils here, it's a deluxe size and it is worth £12. The ingredients in our volumizing and thickening spray provide super body, maximum volume and hold and reflective shine. Surface resins add volume and hold for styling. Protein and conditioning agents smooth and protect hair to improve its condition. Polyamide, sunscreen, UV protectors help to shield the hair from sun damage, fighting against colour fade and UV damage. I've used this once or twice, but not enough actually to be able to tell you what I think of it. It sounds good. If it was really bad, then I'd more than likely remember. Or if it was really good, I would more than likely remember. But anyway, there's that. So the next item has 2 variations. You'll either receive what I've got, which is Espa Body Lotion Bergamot and Jasmine. There's 75 mils there. It's worth £10. A beautifully light body lotion that moisturises, nourishes and softens, infused with a luxurious blend of pure essential oils for fresh, delicately fragrant skin. So you'll either receive that or you'll receive a full-size makeup eraser. You know, the original makeup erasers, the cleansing cloths, which is worth £17.26, so a bit of a jump up in price. Removes all your makeup with just water. This ultra soft, non-dry and double-sided makeup removal wipe eliminates makeup with the short fibre side and exfoliates the skin with the long fibre side. It's ideal for refreshing your face while avoiding waste. Again, ignore the flashiness. Can you see down there? So it's a makeup removing cloth, the original one. The next two items, I've got two variations. So you'll either receive what I've got, which is Magnetone London Wipeout Swipes, eco-friendly microfiber makeup removal pads, removes makeup with just water. I love these. I've got a load of them. I use them daily, either to remove eye makeup or mostly I use them to apply a liquid exfoliator. They're really great. I really like them. Hopefully in your box you don't receive these and the makeup removing cloth, because that'll be a bit overkill, wouldn't it? This is full size and they retail for £8, which is quite pricey. I think that's quite pricey. Eco-friendly microfiber cleansing pads that will remove even the toughest makeup with just warm water, and it just goes on to tell you what I've just said. So you'll either receive those or you'll receive a Ciati deluxe size watermelon primer for the same price, £8. The formula features watermelon extract to help replenish moisture and witch hazel extract, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. The primer creates a dewy, flawless finish, ensuring your makeup lasts longer while leaving you looking and feeling radiant. Oh, I wish my mobile wouldn't do this. It's so annoying. But yeah, it's at the top there. So you get a primer or makeup wipes. And then the last item in the box is a variation as well. Lots of variations this month. You will either receive what I've got, which is Dr. Pawpaw. This is a full-size multi-purpose balm. Or if you do receive a Dr. Pawpaw item, it might be the Peach Pink multi-purpose balm. So it's one of those. They both cost £4.25 each. So yeah, multi-purpose balm. You can use it lips, hair, cuticle, nails, skin. It is a great product. It's not full size though. This is a little mini. I suppose full size as in you can actually buy them at this size, but I have seen bigger ones. We used to get bigger ones in beauty boxes a couple of years ago, but unless they've dramatically downsized. So you'll either receive a Dr. Pawpaw multi-purpose balm, or you'll receive, which I would have preferred, but never mind, a velvet lip cream by Guvu, G-U-V-U, mix shades, full size, worth £22. Massive difference to £4.25. I love velvet lipsticks. I love them, and yeah, it's only just got one shade here. I'll show it to you. But it's mixed shades. A light bergamot infused vegan lip and cheek cream. Okay, with a mousse-like whipped velvety texture, allowing easy application, leaving you with moisturised, full lips ready to take on the world. At the top there, see? The Dr. Pawpaw down the bottom. As I say this all the time, but when we have variations, I just think they should be roughly the same price, or just don't tell us the prices. At least then we can't be a bit miffed about it. But I suppose it's the product and whether you use it, whether you like it. In this instance, yeah, I think I would have preferred the lipstick over the Dr. Pawpaw because I have got a few of these. Not to say it's bad, it's just, yeah, I do love my makeup. But never mind. Okay, and that is it. And the last item is a sample, and this is a dark spot UV fluid. I wanted to try this actually, by L'Oreal, and it's 50 plus SPF, so it's a little a little tester. If any of you've tried this, let me know what you think of it. Those are all the products in the May Glossybox Beauty Box. We've got Eclat Skin Micellar Water, Philip Kingsley Maximizer, a root lift spray. We've got an Esper Bergamot and Jasmine body lotion. You'll either receive this or the original makeup eraser cleansing cloth. We've got Magnetone Wipeout Swipes, a pack of 2 cleansing cloths. You'll either receive these or Ciati London Watermelon Primer. Dr. Pawpaw Multi-Purpose Balm. This is the original, or you might receive the Peach Pink Multi-Purpose Balm. But if not, you will receive the Guvu Velvet Lip Cream. And then the sachet. So yeah, there's some nice products in there, but there's quite a few variations this month, which I know some of you don't like it when beauty boxes bring out lots of different variations, especially when the prices are a bit off. But no, that's just my thinking anyway. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Are you going to subscribe this month to receive this box? So then you're guaranteed to receive the special edition June summer bag beauty edit, and you get to choose what fragrance you want in the box. Or are you thinking, nah, I'm not going to bother? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please let me know. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.